Alright, so I yesterday didn't get good footage of it because I had a bunch of issues. I got the distributor in, has fixed the erratic timing mark, which is chill. I'm still having a bit of a misfire, and I do believe that to officially now be the carburetor. I don't think it's, I think it's warped and stuff, so not only that, I think this bushing's trashed. So I ordered a new carb, get that in, see what happens. But today, I think I'm going to tackle this over here. I want to get this fender back on. It's got a big dent in it, but I think I'm just going to leave that. I need to get this patched up. So, I have to go and all this is good up here. I'm going to chop here, come over, maybe cut a piece that'll fit right in here. Yeah, I don't know. So, I guess we'll see. I might just box it out too, you know. Make a box for it, but we'll see. I'll see if I can get her fixed. So, yeah. Alright, so to fix this part, I'm gonna do it the not right way, but the good enough way. I'm gonna cut that piece out and just cap it, because if I don't have the bodywork stuff to be able to fabricate that piece up. It doesn't seal completely. It's just a part of the rock. It leads to the rocker, so I'll just do that. Nobody's gonna see it anyway. I'll know it's there, but that's about it. So, well, let's get to it. Alright, so since I have minimal tools, what I think I'm going to do now, I've got most of what I can get cut out here. This doesn't look beautiful. Again, you're not going to see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece from here to here. And I'm going to, bend it down here so it comes back in. So it'll be like that. And then I'm going to cap the end of it off. Don't exactly know how I'm going to accomplish that yet, but I'll figure it out. I had a couple pinholes over here not terribly concerned with. I'm going to wool wax the shit out of the inside of this so it won't rust any further. Kind of playing with the idea of cutting this piece out. It kind of looks like shit, but again, nobody's ever going to see this. So, but I will update you with what I'm doing next. Alright, there we go. I'll go cut a piece of metal like this, bend it up, get it in, tack it up, and I'll pop a piece in here, cap her off, and we'll be good. Looks pretty decent. Alright, go ahead and tack that sucker in. Alright, it ain't pretty, but nobody's gonna see it. Capped off. She's good. I'm gonna paint her up now. Start getting this fender back on.